Hey YouTube, Hill Country Husker. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Just want to say thanks to everybody for doing that. Appreciate the comments. Keep them coming. I guess I'm going to continue on with reporting on China's involvement in the U.S. I was just kind of looking through some news online this morning, and this one popped out at me. Thought it was kind of interesting. Counterfeit Chinese parts slipping into U.S. military aircraft. Goes on to say counterfeit electronic parts from China are flooding into critical U.S. military systems, including special operations helicopters and surveillance planes. I guess what's going on, this is a result of a year-long investigation conducted by the Senate Armed Services Committee and was put out by a U.S. Senate committee report. What's going on is these Chinese companies have been identified as a primary source for all these counterfeit parts. What they do, according to this report, the Chinese companies will take these used electronic parts, they'll remove all of the identification marks, scrub them up, clean them, refurbish them, and then put them back on the market as brand new, when in fact they're refurbished. They're not brand new. They're counterfeit parts because the original manufacturer is not the one selling them. It's these Chinese companies that are doing it. Now, this isn't all China's fault. Sure, they have some responsibility in the fact that they're doing this, but also some of the U.S.-based defense contractors are guilty of this because they're relying on these independent distributors for their parts. They're not properly vetting the supply chain and the origination sources of these parts. Of course, you know, the ramification of this is you have a used part in a billion-dollar aircraft. That little part fails, you're putting the lives of the U.S. soldiers at risk, especially in such a technical piece of equipment as a helicopter or an aircraft. A simple failure on an electronic part can just be devastating to that piece of equipment, to the lives of the soldiers. So this definitely is a revelation. Just one more example of China's involvement in the U.S. and their willingness to just do just about anything to get involved, which they have. Just my thoughts, Hill Country Husker. Thanks.